full of vitamins and fresh goodness. Today I'm very excited to share with you my 5 go-to smoothie recipes. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing good. If you're new to my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated. Now let's start our recipe. The first one is chocolate smoothie bowl. For this, all you need 2 frozen bananas, 1 espresso shot. If you don't have espresso machine, then you can just use 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of almond milk, and then we are just going to blend it until the homogeneous mixture is formed. Now pour the smoothie into the bowl, and now let's start do the topping. For the topping, I'm using my oat cereal here. It has some dried banana, cranberries, and some raisins in it. You can use granola of your choice. Some blackberries, some hazelnuts because hazelnuts goes perfect with the chocolate, and some chocolate chips because why not? Chocolate chips are too good in any way. And here I have some banana slices. I'll use some raspberry because raspberry will give it some vibrant and red color to make it look beautiful, and some chia seeds on the top. Now the second one is raspberry and strawberry bowl. For this one, I have 1 frozen banana, 1 cup of frozen raspberry, half cup of frozen strawberries, and 4 tablespoons of almond milk. And again, mix everything, put everything in the jar, and then blend. Can you see how smooth is this? Now pour the smoothie into the bowl. See, can you feel it? Amazing. Now I'm topping it with banana slices, some strawberry, some raspberries, some chia seeds, some almond slices, and then some rosebuds. They are dry rosebuds. They look beautiful. Now let's start to make the third one. This is blueberry smoothie bowl, and this is very easy. Only we are going to use 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 frozen banana, 1 Greek yogurt. I prefer if you use the frozen Greek yogurt. Here it's not frozen, it was just in the fridge. And then blend. Now for the fun part is the topping. Again, I'm using here my oat cereal here. You can use granola, almond slices, some blackberries, and some strawberries. You can also use blueberries to decorate it, or you can use your choice of nuts. Now the fourth one is blackberry smoothie bowl. For this you need 1 cup of frozen banana, 1 cup of frozen blackberries, and 4 tablespoons of almond milk, and then just blend. Pour the smoothie into the bowl. Now for the topping, I'm using banana slices. You can use mixed berries as well. I'm using here blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, and I'm using here almond and chia seeds on the top. Again, I have my oats cereal, so I'm going to use my oat cereal. You can use granola as I said before. Make variations of your choice. It's completely forgiving recipe. Now for the last one is high protein recipe, and this is my husband's favorite. All you need 2 frozen bananas, 1 scoop of high protein. I'm using here gold whey protein powder, and then coconut milk, almost like 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, and then blend. Now for the topping here, I use banana slices. I'm topped it with chia seeds, some almond on the edges, and you can use mixed berries. Here I have granola bar. I'm using granola bar. You can use granola or oat cereal. Some blueberries to give it nice vibrant color, some blackberries, and some blueberries in the end. Enjoy it with your friends and family. Let me know which one you like the most.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated.